Stroke diesel to check out here, unique specialty and classics. 2001 Ford Excursion Limited 4x4 with a 7.3 liter Power Stroke diesel in it. Clean Carfax, actually a California car up until 2024, and it shows. So clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed actual miles, just a little over 132,000 on this one is all. Wedgwood blue metallic, and the neutral beige two-tone bottom running boards. Of course, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Little brush guard or push bumper up front. Bug shield. Paint has a nice shine to it. You gotta remember this thing's 24 years old now. And paint, we did a buff, polish, and wax on it. It's got a nice shine to it. Turned out very well. Check out the still pictures. You can be able to see it from every angle. You'll be able to see some shots of the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on polished wheels. You can see it's newer brakes and rotors behind there. Technician actually noted 80% in the front, 70% in the rear. So brakes looking good on this one. Suspension lift says probably about a 4-inch. Bags on the rear. Let's take a look down this passenger side. And around these wheel wells, lower rockers, you can see it's not full of rust, corrosion coming through. There was a small little ding right there in the door. Being pretty fussy. This truck's got a lot of life left in it. And appears to be well taken care of. The way the paint turned out. And the fact that it did spend the majority of its life in California. Not going to hurt it as far as the rust and corrosion goes. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, towing package. The rear lift glass, and then the barn door styles below. The way they open, make it easier to get all the way back into the cargo area on this. So this would be an 8-passenger seating vehicle, second row bench. And once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. We will start this up, let you hear it run. I'll pull it outside. We'll take a peek underneath the hood if I'm going to let it run for any amount of time at all. We'll get it outside. If you like these 4x4s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. All right, a couple things I want to point out, show you on this one. This does have the entertainment center in the rear, where it appears there's a VCR player down below, screen up above, appears to be rear HVAC controls. And of course, bench seat, like I mentioned, leather with a limited. Limited's going to make this one nicely equipped. And again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, a little over 132,000. Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over here on the driver's side, buckets, some aftermarket gauges on the A-pillar. There's an aftermarket stereo in this too. Alpine. There is a amp underneath the second row seat. Kicker equalizer up here. All right, I'll go ahead and start this up quick so you can just see how it starts. Obviously tuner control here. But you can see those miles, 132,935. Get a good look at the top of the dash. Interior nice, as the exterior. As far as condition wise, 4x4 low, 4x4 high, 2-wheel drive control there. Give you a quick idea how this sounds, and we'll get it outside, take a peek underneath the hood. All right, quick pulled it outside. Give you a little bit better idea to see under the hood and engine bay, and you get to see it in the light. And I got a whole afternoon of picturing vehicles indoors, so we'll let the diesel run outside. Should give you a pretty good idea. 2001 Ford Excursion Limited 4x4 clean Carfax California rig up to 2024. A little over 132,000 miles is all. Any questions, call, consult with a sales associate. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very tall 2001 Ford Excursion, and I say tall, it's just the right height. This truck looks awesome. We're powered by diesel, and this is an automatic on the column. On the pillar we have trans temp, the pyrometer, and the turbo boost gauge. On the column, DP tuner, and all our factory gauges look to be working correctly. The battery is charging over halfway. The oil pressure is also over half. Our temperature is just coming up on a quarter, and the fuel gauge is a quarter of a tank. I've got the blower motor blowing a little bit of heat today on a cool day in Minnesota. Very nice running truck. Almost feel like a big rig. You can see so far and so well at this height. Comfortable ride. It's not harsh as you might expect some lifted vehicles to be. Leather bucket seat. As with most Excursions, lots of room in the back to bring all your friends. Brakes feel good. Easy to steer. Doesn't lean too much in the corners, especially for a tall vehicle like this. Sounds really good and accelerates well. To find all the details and what that DP tuner does, head over to uniqueclassiccars.com.